Hello, you guys. I'm going to do one of the cloud pours today. Well, not a cloud pour. I'm going to use the cloud mix to do a pour today. So I just have an old canvas that I've already scraped off. And what I'm going to do is take this base. So if you did not watch the video where I did the mix, please go back to the last video. It's attached to that one. And then if you go back before that, so it's video number 30. And it's also attached to video 31 if you didn't catch video 30. So this is the mixture. And I'm just going to pour it in the center here. Okay. And I tried to thin my paints out more. That's one of the issues that I have, knowing if my paints are thin enough. So I guess that just comes with practice, because I'm not for sure if this paint is thin enough for me to achieve those sales that I'm trying to achieve. Okay, but since this is a smaller canvas, maybe it'll work a little bit better. I have more paint and I'll be able to scratch it. So let's see what happens. I'm going to tilt this so that I can get this paint over the canvas some. And then this is just for practice, so if it's not perfect, that's okay. Just doing it for practice. Just want to see if I can achieve those sales. We're going to keep giving it a go to see if I can achieve my sales. Hopefully this paint is thin enough now. Okay. Okay, I don't want to use any more, so hopefully we'll just move that paint down to that bottom corner so that it'll cover that corner. Okay, so I'm using two colors today. And instead of pouring them in the cup together, I'm just going to pour them on there individually. So today I'm using Amsterdam. And we have here, it's a purple. I may be overlooking the color, but it's a purple. And then this one is a yellowish green. Okay. All right, let's give it a go. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just putting it on there to see what happens. I don't like wasting paint, so just gonna put it on there. Okay. Purple. I had more purple, I think, anyway. Somehow I had more purple than green. All right, let's get to the tilting. So I see sale action on the side, but not anywhere else. And it might have something to do with this canvas too. I just put some stuff previously on this canvas. Looks like the paint's not doing too right on this canvas, so maybe I shouldn't have used this one. Okay. I think that's good. At first, it looked like it was going to do it. Looked okay. I see some sales, but I noticed down here doesn't look quite right, and I think maybe it's the canvas. But I'm going to torch a little bit because it is creating more sales than I've had previously. So I'm going to let it sit because I don't have patience. So we're going to let it sit so that we can see if any more sales pop up. I do know that this paint is thinner than it was the first time that I did it. And I don't know if it has something to do with the brand of paint or because I added a little bit more water than I did before. Because I know the first set I got a little bit confused and I added more Floetrol than water instead of going to look back at the recipe. And that's where I messed up at, I believe. So we have a little bit more sales, but still not the kind of sales that I'm looking for. But they're on sales. Okay, we'll just sit and see whether it'll create any more sales. It's not a lot of sales, you guys. I'm gonna stop. I'm going to wait for a little bit and then I'll bring you back. Okay, you guys, so this is what I end up with. I did get more sales than I got before on the last one that I did. So I am making improvement. So we'll just continue to try to see if we get even more sales than that. But it is way more sales than I got before on that first one that I did. So it is some improvement. Okay, you guys, so here is the dried effect, and it was the canvas, because look at this canvas. It is all broken up. The paint did not even really stick like it was supposed to. And I know it was the canvas because when I used this canvas before, the paint kind of looked it funny and I scraped it, but I knew it was the canvas. I'm glad it was just for practice. But yeah, I did have more sales and I am making progress. Please stay tuned because I will be giving it another go. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, you guys.